Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. We're going to be talking about Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is a $7 affiliate offer where you make $6 on every $7 sale. This company and the company behind and the platform behind it has been around for over 12 years. So it's not one of these startup affiliate business where you don't know if it's going to last a year or two or if it's a scam or whatever. This business has been around since 2013. I've been a part of it. I've been making all kinds of money from it for over 12 years. I have no fear of promoting this opportunity for you. And all I can say is it's an amazing system. Now, just for promoting the $7 system, I made a $100 commission, $20 commission, and a $25 commission, plus the $6 commission from them purchasing um, the $7. So I made $151 just for promoting a $7 business. So there are all kinds of upsells in this entire system. I've been a part of this system for many years, and this is the best way I believe to promote it. It's called the Power Lead System, the main system that this thing is all about. And the reason why I promote it this way now is because not everyone can afford the Power Lead System and all the products in it. So this gives people who are like in these economic times are struggling the opportunity to make $6 commissions every time they get a $7 sale. And this system has been so updated. It has AI tools in it that help promote these upsells. So let's say you can only afford $6 commissions. Um, each step, as your financial situation gets better, you can scale up to higher commissions. Now, I I have purchased just about almost every product that this company has to offer. So that's why I was qualified to make the $100 and the $25 and even this $20 sale right here. Um, so the 100, the $20, and the 25, I'm already qualified to make. And each one of these products has um, has has training in it. So this whole sales funnel, this is what you get. Um, So what you're going to do is when you click my link, you're going to come to a page that says unlock your $6 commission machine. I think that's what it says. And you're just going to put your real email in there. Make sure it's your real email. This company you can trust because it's been around since 2013 and it keeps everything private. So what you're going to do is once you get into there, you're going to come to this page right here. Make sure you watch this video. It's not a long video, it's only like 2 minutes long. And then this is everything that you get in this for your $7. You get a done for you sales funnel, plug and play, launch in minutes. You get a $6 for every $7 sale. Just two sales equals profit. Follow up is built in, so the system is going to advertise for you even while you sleep. We get it's going to promote emails to your leads. It's going to also do text messages. Text messages is a new thing, so it's going to send text messages out to your prospects, and there's even more AI stuff built into it, where it's also going to keep selling for you while you sleep. You would get a free traffic toolkit, no ads needed. So, proven ways to get buyers without spending a dime on ads. Daily payouts, no waiting, no red tape. Money hits your account daily. Simple as that. free chat GTP course, so you can learn more ways to utilize AI to help you grow your and automate your business. Turn AI into your 24/7 marketing assistant, no coding required. A 7-day money back guarantee. And uh, these are just some people that have basically just talking about um, what they think about this system. These are actually from our Facebook group. That's one thing you definitely need to join right away, because you have thousands of people in there that are willing to help if you need any help. Of course, you can call me. My contact information is in the description below. And that. So, like I said before, just fill out all your contact information. If you didn't put your real email in before, definitely make sure you do it here, because if the system needs to is going to help advertise for your leads. So you're definitely going to need a real email and a real phone number, because that way the system can send out text messages advertising the sales funnel on your behalf. And then obviously put your debit card or your credit card in here. And this thing right here is right now your system is $7. So if you click this button, instead of paying $7, you'll pay $37 more, making it $44. So if you can afford this $44, you this at this now, so I don't miss out on my $25 commissions. So for $7, you can make unlimited amount of $6 commissions. For $44, you can make an unlimited amount of $6 and $25. So you just triple the amount of money that you can potentially make. Now, if you can't afford the $44, that's fine. You can still pay for it later on if you want to unlock that, and you can just get it for the $7. So, what you get with this is look like a pro, earn like one too. Just plug in and earn $25 every time someone else unlocks this too. Watch this short video. It just shows you a demo of what you get. Upgrade to this upgrade, and this tells you everything that this has to offer. And then so you can just read all that. It'll tell you everything that you get. So if you decide, just click yes, you unlock $25. Now, this system will sell every product that you're qualified for. But the reason why I like this system is because it's only $7. Anyone can afford $7. So those who are don't have a lot of money can start making those $6 commissions. And as your financial situation gets better, you can then scale up to higher commissions. That's why this right here, this was all from this $6 lead. Obviously, the system advertised for him, so he was not only able to make the $6 unlock the $6 commissions, but he also unlocked $25 commissions, $100 commissions, and monthly uh, $20 commissions. So the gold membership is a monthly payment, but every time that renews, I get a $20 commission. So that's what this sales funnel does. It's automated pretty much. I never talked to this person. I don't know who he is. I know who he is to some extent because I reached out to him and I found, because that's what I do. I like to reach out to my leads. But if I never did, I still made all these commissions. That's why This system is completely automated. So this is your Lead Lightning back office. What I did is I just bought another $7. So I just paid an extra $7 so I could have this dummy account, because I'm already part of the Power Lead system. So I already had it automatically when I bought that. So this is what you get. So you're in the quick start right here. All you got to do is watch this video. It will walk you through everything that you need to do. It's only like 6 minutes long. And then you just set everything up 100%. You have to join the Facebook group if you have a Facebook account, because there's so much support in there. And there's also trainings in there. Sometimes they will have like live events and stuff, so it's definitely will help you out. So watch this video. Make sure you follow all these steps. As you can see, the funnel is advertising for you. So that's why I got the $100 commission. Um, Now, for some reason, if you just came in and just bought the $7, later on, if you want to set up unlock your $25 commissions, you can buy that course here. This is another upsell. This unlocks for you the $100 commissions. And then, uh, so I just wanted to show you that. I'm not going to show you everything in this back office, but after you're done with your quick start, this page, you just come right here. It says how to get sales. So the funnel itself walks you through how you can make sales. So you just click on this and then watch these videos, and it'll show you how to start making money with this system. So, and then you got right here, you got ad copy, banners, and video shorts. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can put those shorts out there if you want. And then you just click the button right here, and then you get your ad copy. And then right here is your video shorts and banners. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And in the description below this video, is all my contact information and the link to join Lead Lightning. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.